how to reset Motorola phone's network settings. Motorola is popular for launching its flagship models, which usually become a major force in the entire tech industry because of compelling features. But sometimes users experience several challenges in connectivity and other issues in their phones that require resetting the network setting. So here's a quick solution for those willing to solve it in no time. When should you reset your phone's network settings? If you're also facing one of the following issues in your Motorola phone, then you must reset the network settings. Number 1. If your phone has trouble connecting to the internet. Number 2. None of the signals are shown in the status bar. Number 3. Unable to receive or make a phone call or frequently experiencing call drops. Number 4. Encounters challenges while using Bluetooth or VPN. Firstly, follow these hacks to fix the issue before resetting network settings. Restart your phone once. Try to turn on and off airplane mode. If none of these hacks work, then reboot your router. Follow these steps to reset your Motorola phone's network settings. Firstly, navigate to Settings, go to System, now choose Reset options. Afterwards, click on Reset Wi-Fi, Mobile, and Bluetooth. Now tap on Reset Settings. After performing all the steps, you must reconnect to your Wi-Fi and cellular network.